How to order a new Venmo card. First, you want to open the Venmo application, and inside the app you want to simply tap on this me icon over here. After that, you want to simply tap on this Venmo card option. Tap on manage cards over here, and here you'll be able to see an option called replace card. Simply tap on replace card. You want to state your reasoning over here. Simply tap on one of these options over here. You'll be able to choose your design as well. You want to simply tap on one of these designs and tap on continue. After that, you want to confirm your shipping address. If you want to change the shipping address, you want to simply tap on edit and change it from here. After that, you want to click on continue. And for the final step, you want to review your order for the last time, and you want to simply tap on order new card. Doing so, you have successfully ordered a new Venmo card, and your card will be on the way, and your card will get with you in 7 to 10 business days. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, do comment down below.